बोल सकती हूँ कि आप कर्फ्यू के बाद जब बाहर निकलेंगे आप कोई एकदम डिफरेंट इंसान होंगे। यही हमारा विनती है, आप गवर्नमेंट को रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस पालन कीजिए। हमारे लिए अच्छा है, हमारा देश के लिए अच्छा है, दुनिया के लिए अच्छा है।
Good morning, my dear students. All of you prepared very well for the examinations, but examinations suddenly postponed. During this period, our sirs arranged the lessons through Doordarshan are very useful to you. So, make use of this opportunity to get good marks in the examinations. And in especially in mathematics, according to the blueprint released by our SCRT, the weightage will be given to academic standards and objective type questions, that is a type of questions. Now, I am going to give some knowledge about the weightage, that is academic standards. These are the academic standards. Number 1 is problem solving, that is 40%, and questions will be given for 20 marks, and reasoning and proof for 10 marks, communication 5 marks, connection 7.5 marks, and representation and visualization 7.5 marks. Total is 50 marks. Then we will go to the weightage of questions, type of questions. Those are objective questions, or 12 questions will be given to you, and 12 halves are 6 marks. Then very short answer questions, or 8 questions are will be given, 8 ones are 8. Then short answer questions, or 8 will be given, 8 twos are 16 marks. Then essay type questions are 5, those are total marks 5 fours are 20 marks. Total is 50 marks. So, the question paper will be given for 50 marks. You should be complete, you have to write the examination in 2 hours and 45 minutes. So, during this period you have to write all the questions by reading the question paper, utilization of first 15 minutes. Then now I am going to the lesson chapter 4, that is pair of linear equations. In this chapter we will discuss some important topics of linear equations, the general form of linear equations, and solving of linear equations, and some conditions, those are intersecting lines, parallel lines, and coincide lines. Then we will solve some verbal problems also. Here the general form of a linear equation in 2 variables is a x plus b y plus c equal to 0. Here a, b, c belongs to R, a and b not equal to 0. Then this is the example for linear equation, that is x plus y equal to 5. It is the first degree equation. It represents an equation, but it is, if we draw a straight line, if we draw the graphical representation, it shows, it represents a line. So, this is called a linear equation in two variables. Solutions of the above equation is, if we take x equal to 1 in x plus y equal to 5, we will get the 4. In the place of x we will take 2, we will get the value of y is 3, like that we will get all these solutions. So, by observing of above all values, we can say that every linear equation has so many solutions. It is about linear equation. Then we will go to some questions on this topic, that is, draw the graph of x equal to 3 and write the nature of the line from graph. The second question is, draw the graph of y equal to minus 2 and write the nature, and draw the graph of L minus B minus 2 equal to 0. All these questions are asked previously. So, I want to go to drawing of the graph. Now, we will draw the graph for the above equations. This is the x axis and this is the y axis. Then first of all, we have to take the scale, that is, on x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, on y axis also 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So, observe these values on x axis and y axis. Now, the point is, for first equation the point is 3 0, that is, it was located here, that is 3 0, and it is denoted by 3 0. Then I draw the line through 3 0. Then the equation of this line is represented as x equal to 3. Then the nature of this line is parallel to y axis and perpendicular to x axis. Then I move to the next graphical representation, that is x axis and y axis. Then the scale of this one also x equal to 1 and 1 on x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, and on y axis also 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Then the points are located, that is minus 2 0, and this is the coordinates of this point. Then we will draw a line through this point. This is parallel to x axis and perpendicular to y axis. The name of this equation is y equal to minus 2. Then the nature of this line is, a line is parallel to y axis, x axis and perpendicular to y axis. Next, I want to draw the another graph, that is L minus B minus 2 equal to 0. That is, these are two x axis and y axis. Here also the scale is on x axis 1 centimeter, on y axis also 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Then these are the points. If you take L equal to 0 in the given equation, we will get B equal to minus 2, and we will take B equal to 2 and we will get L equal to 4. So, I am going to locate these points 0 minus 2, this is point 0 minus 2, and another point is 4 2. If we join these 2 points, this is the line. So, the name of this line is L minus B minus 2 equal to 0. Like this we can draw the graphs for given equations. Now, I am going to general form of pair of linear equations in two variables. Those are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Then here a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 are real numbers, such that here a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0 and a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. These are the conditions for the example for this one pair of linear equations are x plus y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to 10. The questions on this topic is write general form of pair of linear equations, that is, and write the condition when a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 represents a pair of linear equations. Next, these pair of linear equations can be solved by using some methods. Those are three types of methods are there. Number one is substitution method, and second one is elimination method, and the third one is graphical representation method. The another method is also there, but it was not mentioned in your 10th class standard. So, first of all I want to explain about the substitution method. This comes under problem solving. The example for this one is solve x plus 2y equal to minus 1, 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Solution is, here first equation is x plus 2y equal to minus 1 and second equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 12. From first equation we will find the value of x in terms of y. మొదటి ఈక్వేషన్ నుండి x యొక్క విలువని y టర్మ్స్ లో కనుక్కుంటాం. ఈ y టర్మ్స్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఈ విలువని సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాం. అప్పుడు మనకి ఈ ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఉండేటటువంటి విలువలన్నీ కూడా y లో వస్తాయి. దట్ ఈస్ -2 - 4y equal to 12 and -2 - 7y equal to 12, -7y equal to 12 plus 2 equal to 14. Then we can find the value of y, that is y equal to 14 by -7, that is equal to -2. So, here the value of y is -2. Substitute y equal to -2 in 1, that is first equation is x plus 2y equal to -1. So, now I am substituting the value of y, that is -2 in the equation 1, that is x plus 2 into -2 equal to -1. Then x minus 4 equal to -2. Here plus into minus is minus, 2 into 2 is 4, x minus 4 equal to -1. If you will take -4 to the right side, the x value is -4 plus -1 plus 4, that equal to 3. Then the value of x is 3. Here we find the values of x and y as the values of x and y are x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. Then I will go to the next method, elimination method. It also comes under problem solving. For example, 8x plus 5y equal to 9, then another equation is 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Then how we can solve these two equations? By using elimination method. That is, first equation is 8x plus 2y, 8x plus 5y equal to 9, and second equation is 3x plus 2y equal to 4. To make the coefficients are equal, because this is elimination method. Previously we discussed about the substitution method. Here we are discussing the elimination. Here we have to eliminate the any one variable from one equation. అంటే ఒక సమీకరణం నుండి ఒక వేరియబుల్ని ఇంకొక వేరియబుల్లో నుంచి తొలగించాలి. ఎలా తొలగిస్తాం? బై ఈక్వేటింగ్ ద కోఎఫిషియంట్స్. ఇక్కడ మొదటి ఈక్వేషన్లో 8x ఉంది, తర్వాత 3x ఉంది. ఈ రెండు కానీ ఈక్వల్గా ఉంటే అండ్ మనము తొలగించవచ్చు. హౌ వీ కెన్ ఎలిమినేట్? బై ఈక్వేటింగ్ ద కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ ఆఫ్ x ఆర్ y. We can subtract or we can add. When we can add, if the signs of both coefficients are same, we will subtract, and the signs are different, we will add. So, like that, here I want to equal the coefficients of y, because if we compare the coefficients of x and y coefficients are very small. So, I want to equal the coefficients of y. Here how we can equal the coefficient of y in first equation should be multiplied by second equation, and with the coefficient of y will be multiplied with the first equation. Then these are the first equation is multiplied by 2 and second equation multiplied by 5. We will get 16. If you multiply by 2, 16x plus 5y equal to 18, 16x plus 10y equal to 18, and 3x plus 2y equal to 4 will be multiplied by 5, then we will get 15x plus 10y equal to 10. So, if you observe these two coefficients in both equations, those are 10y plus 10y. Here the same signs are same and coefficients also same. So, we can subtract these two equations, that is 3 minus 4 we will get, that is 16x plus 10y equal to 18 and 15x plus 10y equal to 20. This is the third and fourth. If we subtract these two equations, we will get the value of x equal to minus 2, that is 16x minus 15x equal to x plus 10y minus 10y equal to minus 20. While subtracting, we will change the signs of the second equation. Then we will get 10y minus 10y is 0 and 16x minus 15x equal to x, 18 minus 20 is minus 2. Then if we want to find out the value of y, here the x equal to minus 2 should be substitute in equation 1 or 2. Now, I am going to substitute the value of x equal to minus 2 in 2, then we will find out the value of y like this, that is 3 minus 2 plus 2y equal to 4, that is 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 plus 2y equal to 4. Then 2y equal to, if you take this right side, 4 plus 6 equal to 10. Then so x equal to minus 2 and y equal to y. These are the solutions of this equation. Here now we will go to the solutions. We will go to the verbal problems. First of all, we solved here. I want to recapitulate, I want to repeat it once again please. A substitution method and another method, elimination method. Why we call it a substitution method? We will find the one variable in another variable and we will substitute in second equation. అక్కడ మనము ఒక వేరియబుల్ యొక్క విలువని ఇంకొక వేరియబుల్లో కనుక్కొని అనదర్ ఈక్వేషన్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఈ పద్ధతిని సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ మెథడ్ అంటున్నాము. అదేవిధంగా రెండో దాంట్లో ఎలిమినేషన్ మెథడ్లో మనము ఎక్స్ కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ని కానీ వై కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ని కానీ ఈక్వల్ చేసి సైన్స్ కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ యొక్క సైన్స్ ఈక్వల్గా ఉంటే సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయడము, డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటే యాడ్ చేయడం ద్వారా మనము ఆ ఈక్వేషన్స్ని సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాం. నౌ వీ విల్ గో టు ద verbal problems. These are very important in examination point of view. First question is, first problem is 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50 rupees, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46 rupees. Find the cost of 1 pencil and that of 1 pen. Here 5 పెన్సిళ్ళు ఖరీదు, 7 పెన్స్ ఖరీదు కలిసి 50 రూపీస్ అన్నమాట. అయితే 7 పెన్సిళ్ళు ఖరీదు, 5 పెన్ల ఖరీదు 46 రూపీస్ అని ఇచ్చారు. అయితే మనం ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి? ఫైండ్ ద కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ 1 పెన్సిల్ అండ్ దట్ ఆఫ్ 1 పెన్. ఫర్ దిస్ హియర్ మనల్ని ఇక్కడ కనుక్కోమన్నది ఒక పెన్ యొక్క ఖరీదు, ఒక పెన్సిల్ యొక్క ఖరీదు కాబట్టి లెట్ us టేక్ ద కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ పెన్సిల్ ఈజ్ x రూపీస్ అండ్ ద కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ పెన్ ఈజ్ y రూపీస్. ద కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ 5 pencils is and 7 pens, 5x plus 7y equal to the cost of 5 pencils and 7 pens. And the another condition is 7 pencils and 5 pens. 7 pencils, 7 into x plus 5 into y, 5 pens. This is the cost of 7 pencils and 5 pens. The total cost of 5x plus 7y equal to 50. It was given in the problem, and 7x plus 5y equal to 46. it is also given in the problem. So, from these two equations, this is the first equation and this is the second equation. From these two equations we have to solve and find out the values of x. We can adopt the previous methods, those are substitution method or elimination method. Here I want to go to the elimination method. So, I want to equal the coefficients of x. So, that is why the first equation should be multiplied by the coefficient of x in second equation and second equation should be multiplied by the coefficient of x in first equation, that is equal to 35x and 49y equal to 350, and the second equation becomes 35x plus 25y equal to 230. Let us take it, this is a third equation and this is a fourth equation. By solving these equations, those are third and fourth equations, we will get x equal to 3 and y equal to 5. Here we can adapt to solve these two equations either substitution method or elimination method. So, here elimination method is very applicable because it is very simple, because here 35x and 35x, the coefficients of in two equations are equal. So, if we subtract these equations, we will get the value of x equal to 3 and value of y equal to 5 rupees. The cost of x is the cost of pencil, that is x equal to 3 rupees, the cost of pen y equal to 5 rupees. Next, I will go to the next problem, that is the taxi charges. If you go to Hyderabad or Vijayawada at any to any city, అక్కడికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు మనము ట్యాక్సీ ఎక్కితే కొంత మినిమం ఛార్జ్ ఇస్తాము. ఆ తర్వాత ప్రతి అడిషనల్ దూరానికి అంటే అడిషనల్గా తర్వాత వెళ్ళేటటువంటి దూరానికి మనము కిలోమీటర్కి ఇంత అని పే చేస్తాము. దాని మీద ఆధారపడినటువంటి ఈ ప్రాబ్లం, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇన్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ. ద ట్యాక్సీ చార్జెస్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ కన్సిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఫిక్స్డ్ ఛార్జ్. ఫర్ సమ్ డిస్టెన్స్ there is a fixed charge. If you travel more than that minimum distance, along with that charge, the distance, the charge will be paid to the additional distance. For distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is 220 rupees. For journey of 15 kilometers, the charge is 310 rupees. Then find what are the fixed charges and charges for per kilometer, and also how much does a person have to pay for travelling a distance of 25 kilometers. Now, I will go to the solution. Here we have to find out the fixed charge. So, let us take the fixed charge is x rupees and the charge per kilometer is y rupees for distance of 10 kilometers. That means, for if a person travelled 10 kilometers, the charge paid is 220 rupees. That means, the minimum charge plus charge per kilometer. Here a person travelled 10 kilometers. So, he paid 220 rupees. This can be written as the minimum distance, the charge for minimum distance is x rupees plus 10 kilometers, that is 10y. So, x plus 10y equal to 220. Then the x plus 10y equal to 220. Let us take it first equation, and for the distance of 15 kilometers charge, here also the minimum charge plus the charge for 15 kilometers, that is paid for 310 rupees. This can be expressed as this is the minimum charge plus 15 kilometers charge is 15 plus y equal to 310 rupees. So, this is the second equation. By using these two equations, that those are first equation and second equation, by solving these two equations, we will get x equal to 40 and y equal to 18. Here we have to find out the charge for 25 kilometers, but here the fixed charge is 40 rupees and charge per kilometer is 18 rupees. So, if a person travelled 25 kilometers, the total charge is 18 into 25 equal to 450 rupees. This is a very important problem giving from problem solving, and this problem also can be asked by using the graph that comes under representation and visualization. Next, I will go to the third problem. In class 10, if 3 students sit on each bench, 1 student will be left. If 4 students sit on each bench, 1 bench will be left. Find the number of students and the number of benches in that class. Suppose మన క్లాస్లో 10th క్లాస్లో మనకి బెంచెస్ ఉంటాయి, స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉంటారు. ఈ స్టూడెంట్స్ ముగ్గురు ఒక బెంచ్కి కూర్చుంటే ఒక స్టూడెంట్ మిగిలిపోతాడు. అటు కాకుండా నలుగురు ఒక బెంచ్కి కూర్చుంటే ఒక బెంచ్ మిగిలిపోతుంది. కాబట్టి ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. అందుకని ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ని కూడా మనము ఈ విధంగా చేద్దాం. Let the number of students equal to x and the number of benches equal to y. If the condition is, if the 3 students sit on each bench, 1 student will be left. Total students are x. 1 student will be left means x minus 1. Total students, if 3 members sit in each bench, total students are 3 into y number of benches. That is equal to 3 into y equal to x minus 1, implies that is if we take this to the right side, x minus 3y equal to 1. This is the first equation. Next, if 4 students sit on each bench, 1 bench will be left. This is the second condition. If 4 students sit on each bench, 1 bench will be left. 1 bench will be left means oka already y benches are there. If 1 bench will be left, that means number of benches used are y minus 1. So, if 4 students sit on y minus 1 benches, total number of students are y, that is equal to x. X minus y equal to minus 4. By solving 1 and 2, we will get x equal to 16 and y equal to 5. The number of students in the class is x equal to 16 and number of benches in that class is y equal to 5. Assignment. This can be solved. The assignment in these topics are in 4.1 exercise 6th and 8th problems. In 4.2 exercise 8th problem also very important. Do these problems at your homework by taking the suggestions from your teacher. Let us take a break, a small break. We will meet very short. మనం ఇప్పటి వరకు ఎలిమినేషన్ మెథడ్, సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ మెథడ్, దాని మీద వర్బల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేశాము. నౌ ఐ విల్ గో టు డిస్కస్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆన్ రెడ్యూసిబుల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కమ్స్ అండర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వింగ్. హియర్ I will give the small problem, that is solve 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to 1. If you observe these two equations, it is not possible to solve by using substitution or elimination method. So, I want to change these equations into simple form. that is, let us take 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equal to minus 1. Let us take these equations as first and second. Let us take in these equations, let us take 1 by root x equal to a and 1 by root y equal to b. First one becomes, the first equation becomes 2a plus 3b equal to 2. This is the third equation, and second equation becomes 4a minus 9b equal to minus 1. This is the fourth equation. By solving these 3 and 4 equations, we will get a equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by root x. A equal to 1 by root x, we will find the value of here a is 1 by 2. ఏ విధంగా మనం ఏ వాల్యూ బి వాల్యూ కనుక్కుంటామనంటే ఆల్రెడీ బై యూజింగ్ ద సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఆర్ ఎలిమినేషన్. ఎలిమినేషన్ మెథడ్ ఉపయోగిస్తేనే ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది మీకు. సో ఏ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 by 2 మనం అది కనుక్కున్నాము, బట్ వీ విల్ టేక్ ఏ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 by root x. బై యూజింగ్ దీస్ టూ, హియర్ దీస్ టూ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్, బట్ the numerators also equal, the denominators are also equal. So root x equal to 2, then by squaring on both sides we will get x equal to 4. Then b equal to 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by root y. So here these are equal and numerators also equal. If we take then denominators also equal. So by equating root y equal to 3, then y equal to 9 from. So the solutions are x equal to 4 and y equal to 9. Now I move to the another problem, that is 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2, and the second equation is 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equal to 1. These problems comes under problem solving, that is in academic standard. So this is also to be reduced in simple form, then only we can solve these equations by using elimination or substitution. So here 5 by x minus 1 will be written as 5 into 1 by x minus 1 and 1 by y minus 2. Here also 6 into 1 by x minus 1. If we take, let us take 1 by x minus 1 equal to a and 1 by y minus 2 equal to b, these equations can be written as 5a plus 2b, sorry 5a plus b equal to 2, that is third equation. Second equation becomes 6a minus 3b equal to 1, that is fourth one. By solving these two equations, we will get a equal to 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Here x minus 1 equal to 3, then x equal to 4, b equal to 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by y minus 2. Then from this equation equality, we will get y minus 2 equal to 3, then y equal to 5. From the above, x equal to 4 and y equal to 5. Like this we can solve this problem. These two problems also very important for examination point of view. Now I am going to give homework in exercise 4.3. ఒకటిలో 2, 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, వర్బల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ 2, 3, 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఇవి 2, 3, 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అంటే ఒకటి బోట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది, అంటే అప్ స్ట్రీమ్ అండ్ డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్. థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చి some distance covered by train and partially covered by car, a problem. Fourth problem is men and women. So these problems also very important. Let us try to solve these problems and by taking the help of your teachers. And I will go to the next topic, nature of pair of straight lines. If you take any pair of straight lines, those lines must be either intersecting lines or parallel lines or coincident lines. If the given lines are, if you take the lines are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, we can find out the lines are intersecting or not by using the ratios of given pair of straight lines. If we find the ratio of these two pair of straight lines, that is ratio of x coefficients, then ratio of y coefficients and ratio of constants. If we find out all these ratios, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the lines are intersecting lines. Every intersecting lines has unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, these lines are parallel lines. Parallel lines has no solution. Then the third condition is, if all ratios are equal, the lines are coincident lines. These lines have so many solutions. Now, I am going to some problems on this. For what value of p, the lines 2x plus 3 py equal to minus 5 and 3x plus 3y equal to minus 6 have unique solution. Unique solution means the condition is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So, here a1 by a2, that means 2 by 3 is not equal to p by 3. So, from these two values we can say that except p, except the value of p is not equal to 2, all the values are except 2, all the values are solutions for this condition. So, next I want to go to the second problem. For what value of k, the lines, these two lines are parallel. Here also for parallel, the lines, if any two lines are parallel, the ratios, that is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, that is, those are 2 by 4 equal to minus k by 6, by cross multiplication minus 4k equal to 12, k equal to minus 3. So, the value of k in this problem is minus 3. For what value of k, another problem, 3x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0 and this equation are coincident lines. When two lines are coincident, if all the ratios are x ratio, y ratio, the coefficients of x, that is a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, all ratios are equal, these lines are coincident lines. By using this equality, the value of k is 6. So, the value of k is 6. Then I will go to the next problem. Find p if this equation and the another equation have infinitely many solutions. When any two equations have many solutions, then these lines are coincident. When two lines are coincident, if a1 by a2, b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. If we take this ratio, if we find out the ratios are p by 12, 3 by p equal to minus of p minus 3 by minus p. From this we will take these two, 3 by p equal to minus of p minus 3 by minus p. From this we will get the value of p equal to 6. Graphical method. It is very important in examination point of view. The problem is given, the problem will be given in this form. Check whether the given equations are consistent or inconsistent and solve graphically. This comes under representation and visualization. Problem number 1, 2x plus y equal to 6 and 4x minus 2y equal to 4. Solve these two equations graphically. If we want to solve, first of all, whether we have to find out whether these lines are consistent or not, and that is types of lines. Here the ratio of a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2, and b1 by b2 equal to 1 by minus 2. Here, that is these two ratios are not equal. So, given lines are consistent lines. Consistent lines means these lines have unique solution. These lines are intersecting lines. So, let us take the points for 2x plus y equal to 6, for x equal to 0, y equal to 6, and for x equal to 3, y equal to 0. These are the points for this line, and the points for second line, that is 4x minus 2y equal to 4, x equal to 0, points are 0, minus 2 and 4, 6. Now, I am going to write the graph. We can find out the graph solution from the graph, that may be x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 2. Next, I want to draw, this is the graph sheet, and on this graph sheet, this is the x axis and this is the y axis. First of all, we have to take the scale on the x axis, on y axis, according to the points we have find. According to the points, I take here x equal to 1 centimeter on x axis, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, on y axis also 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So, this is the scale. You should mention the scale on right side top corner of the graph sheet. Then the first point is 60, that is that point is 60. Then second point is 30. Now, the points are 30. This is the first point, that is 06, and this is the second point 30. If we join these two lines, we will get a straight line. Now, I am going to show the name of this line. This equation is this line represents this equation, that is 2x plus y equal to 6. Now, the second equation point is minus 2 and minus 2 0, those are minus 2 0. Next, the another point is 4 6, that coordinates are 4 6. Then if you join these two equations like this, the name of this equation is 4x minus 2y equal to 4. Here these are the two equations we represent here. These two lines are intersecting at a point, that point is, it is the intersecting point. So, the coordinates of this intersecting point is 2 2. Like that, we can find out the solution, that is x equal to 2 and y equal to 2. So, the graphical representation of these two equations is x equal to 2 and y equal to 2. Now, I am going to the another problem, that is 2x minus 3y equal to 8 and 4x minus 6y equal to 9. Here the ratios are a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 2 and b1 by b2 also 1 by 2. Here these two are equal. So, these lines are inconsistent lines, that means parallel lines. So, these lines have no solution, that is we can represent by taking the points. Let us take first equation. If we take y equal to 0 in this equation, x equal to 4 and y equal to 2, x equal to 7. The points are like this. These are the points for first equation, x 4 0 and 7 2. Take another equation 4x minus 6y, the points are x equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0 in this equation, x equal to 0, y equal to minus 1.5. The second equation and the second point is 3 0.5. Now, I want to draw the graphical representation of these parallel lines, that is this is the x axis and y axis, and the point scale is, now also I am taking x equal to 1 centimeter on x axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, on y axis also 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So, the first point of first equation is, that is 4 0, the second point is 7 2. So, these are the coordinates of these two lines. Now, I want to join, I joined these 2 points, I get a straight line. The name of this straight line is 2x minus 3y equal to 8. Then the second line point is minus 1 0 minus 1.5. These are the coordinates of this point. The second point is 3 and 0.5, that is half. If the coordinates are, this point is 3 0.5. If we join these two lines, here also it is a straight line. If we observe both these straight lines, both are parallel lines. The name of this one is this. So, here these lines are parallel. So, these lines have no solution. Next, I will go to the another problem. 4 by 3 x plus 2y equal to 8 and 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Solve graphically. ఇది కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అయినటువంటి ప్రశ్న. దీంట్లో రిప్రజెంటేషన్ విజువలైజేషన్ కింద ఈ మూడు మోడల్స్లో ఒక్కొక్కటి. దెన్ ఐ విల్ గో టు ద రేషియోస్ ఆఫ్ x coefficients, that is a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 3. Here 4 by 3 by 2, that means 4 by 3 into 1 by 2, that is 2 by 3, and b1 by b2 equal to 2 by 3 and c1 by c2 also 2 by 3. If these two coefficients are equal, then we will compare to another ratio, that is c1 by c2. If all these three are equal, here these lines are coincident lines. These lines has so many solutions. So any type of coincident lines have so many solutions. First of all, first equation is 4 by 3 x plus 2y equal to 8. If we take x equal to 0, 2y equal to 8, that is y equal to 4. If we take x equal to 3, 3 gets cancelled, 4 plus 2y equal to the y equal to 2. So these are the points 0, 4 and 3, 2. If we take the second equation 2x plus 3y equal to 12, if we take x in this equation, x equal to 0 in this equation, y equal to 4 and y equal to 0 in this equation, x equal to 6. So these are the points we are going to draw the graphical representation for coincident lines. These coincident lines has different so many solutions. This is the x axis and this is the y axis, and scale on x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, on y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So as per the scale, I mentioned the values on x axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this in this also. So here these are the points. This is the first point, that point is 0, 4 and the another point is 3, 2. These are the 2 points of first equation. If we join these 2 points, the straight line will be given. This is the equation of this line. Then if you go to the second equation, the points are 6, 0. The point is coordinates are 6, 0 and another point is there, that is 0, 4. This is the common point for both equations. These are, if we observe these two lines, here we draw two lines. If we observe these two lines are coincident lines. So if you think about these coincident lines, there are so many solutions are there, because all the points on these lines are the solutions of this type of equations. Those are coincident lines. For example, 6, 0, 3, 2, 0, 4 are all the solutions of these equations. So we can say that if coincident lines has so many solutions. Next, draw the assignment. I want to go to the assignment. Note down all these problems and try it in your home by taking the help of your teacher. Draw the graph of linear equation p plus q equal to minus 6 equal to 0 and solve these two equations by using substitution method. Reduce the given equations into pair of linear equations. Then last one is are consistent or not. These two are given equations, or these two lines are consistent or not. How many solutions does the following pair of linear equations has? This types of questions also important for the examination point of view. Say whether the solutions exist or not for these two equations. Exist means or these lines are parallel lines, there is no solution for these two equations. If these are consistent lines, these lines have solutions. Write conditions for two lines to be parallel. Now I am going to give some conditions by observing the following lines. Write the conditions for these lines, first, second and third. Observe these three lines and write the conditions for the given equations. This problem also very important for this is another problem which for your examinations. So, write down and note down these problems also for examinations. So, thank you very much. Stay at home and be happy at home, taking suggestions from your teachers and clarify your doubts and do hard work and prepare well for examinations to get good marks. Stay at home and stay safe. So, thank you very much for this opportunity. Make use of this opportunity you also and do hard work. Thank you. All the best.
कल मेरी बात मुंबई पुलिस के एक अफसर से हो रही थी, मेरा दोस्त है। उनकी एक लाइन ने मुझे सोचने पर मजबूर कर दिया। कह रहा था कि अक्षय, कमाल है ना, आप लोग अपने घर से बाहर निकलने से डर रहे हैं और आयरनी की बात यह है कि हम अपने घर जाने से डर रहे हैं। सारा दिन सड़क पे रहते हैं, इतने लोगों से मिलते हैं, कई बीमारियां अपने घर वालों को ना दे दें, इसलिए हम घर नहीं जाते। 10